Sanibona bafethu, nazi ezingenayo ama-rumors athi uMathuluti has agreed kuma-terms ePirates. Kubuya ngathi uzoba nayo i-team from pre-season yale, and kubuya ngathi siyamhambisa uShandu. I think use-right manje vele. He has been a promising right back. Reason why ngithi has been a promising right back, akakaze abe like a top right back for me in the country, or a second number or a second right back uku-attract ama-scouts or uku-attract ucoach weBafana. So he has been a promising player. Now bafowethu uMathuluti uza ne-experience World Cup, uza nokuningi kusho ukuthi kule season sidlale ama-minutes awu-1950. Udlale ama-league games awu-22, of which that is what we need kwibhakabhaka. Kusho ukuthi umjida akalimali kakhulu. Offensive unamagoli awu-2. Kusho ukuthi per i-game ama-passes akey une-1.0 percentage, bese ama-dribbles abe 16 successful. Kusho ukuthi i-rate yakhe yokudriblisha ina-64%, of which uyihambiselana nebhakabhaka. You normally see uSibelebele pushing high, you normally see uVan Rooyen pushing high to make ama-impact going forward. So siye lapha kwi-defensive ukuyinto esimlendela yona. Unama-tacklers awu 1. Bese akwazi ukwenza ama-interception, ama-clearance. Unama-red card awu-4 ne-red card ayi-1, of which uma ifika kubhakabhaka because kwibhakabhaka siwenze ama-red card kuphela isizini yonke singabangani red card, of which I think bafethu is a good move. Let him come and compete noSibelebele. Should soba noVan Rooyen, uSibelebele, uMathuluti. I just hope ukuthi naka left back we add a third left back. I'm not sure noma bathi uSiyema noThabathane because ba versatile, babagcinela position. So tell me, what do you think, Tanko?